Hello YouTube, I'm Robert Foley. I've not uploaded in like 3 weeks, but I got a cool video for you today. One, my setup has changed around just a little bit. I still have my 27-inch 1440p Asus monitor as my primary display, but I introduced another 24-inch Dell 1080p monitor just on the side because I figured, you know, the announcement in this video will cover that. So, back in, like, I don't know, January maybe, November, something, a long time ago, I said that I was going to start streaming on Twitch. Which I did. That wasn't a lie. I did do that for about, like, 2 weeks or so. I streamed on Twitch, and the views sort of sucked, and it's really discouraging when you're doing nothing by yourself. Not gonna lie. So, anyway, I have redone my Twitch graphics and everything, and I've actually went out and bought a new keyboard because... Okay, I've had this, which has been wonderful, honestly. It's the Corsair K65 RGB, which was great, not gonna lie, but at the same time it was awful. It's great for gaming. It's got Cherry MX red switches, meaning that it's a linear click. There's no, like, you go down and you have to push harder. It's not like a Cherry MX blue. It's not any of that. It's a Cherry MX red. You can see right there, it's red. And it's very silent and everything, but it's also very... There's no feedback when you type. And the result is very sloppy typing, and I end up pressing the spacebar twice quite a bit, because I rest my finger on it, and just like a slight rest does that. And then when I type, I get random 3 spaces, random 4 spaces. It's just awful. It's terrible. It's a great keyboard. I love the lighting effects and everything. I just can't type on it, and unfortunately, typing is something I have to do quite frequently for like school projects and stuff, so that just wasn't cutting it. So I went ahead and picked up the best of the best right here. And this is completely objective because everyone has their own opinion on what is the best of the best. In my opinion, what I bought for $148 is just about the best gaming keyboard that you can buy. And let me show you what it is. So, before I tease it, let me do a little rationale here. So, I want to start streaming on Twitch again because this YouTube thing is, it's fine, but I like interacting with people more, honestly, and nobody comments on these videos, so it's like, I want to do Twitch streams so I can, like, live chat with people and all that. And basically, I'll be playing Fortnite, maybe a little Far Cry 5, depending on what you guys want to watch, so click the card. You know, I don't know which way it's going to be. It's probably going to be up there, but it might be up there, so I'm just going to go ahead and say it's up there. And do the poll, say what game I should play, because that's very important. Anyway, I'm going to start streaming. The link is down below. It's twitch.tv/RobFoley2020. I'm going to be streaming Fortnite tonight, actually. And 1, 2, 3, boom. I got the Razer BlackWidow Chroma V2 with the very, very nice... That's so cool. They put that in the box. Look, it's changing colors, too. It's the Cherry MX green... Razer green switches. Right? Keycap keychain... What? That's a keychain? That's awesome. I'm probably not going to use it, but I mean, that's cool. And it also gives you, it's the Razer green switches, basically, is what I wanted to say there. And I'm going to go get my knife real quick. And the one I wanted, so I just grabbed this one. Anyway, also big news, we're getting another dog soon. So I'm going to vlog that because it's going to be great. Anyway, let me put you somewhere else that you can actually see, okay? Alright, I'm not gonna lie, it's very likely that my camera could fall, but who cares. So, here it is. This is the front of the box. You can see my LEDs on my desk. It's gonna look so good, guys. Anyway, got this, got the keychain right there, so, yeah, who cares. It's cool. It does come with the wrist rest, which I like. My K65 came with it, but then I broke it because the cheap clips, whatever. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this was $148 on a keyboard, okay? I'm not proud of myself. But, alright, so here we have, congratulations, welcome to the next level of gaming domination. Sounds neat. I'm going to put that right back there, because I like to keep things pretty nice. Okay, here's this keychain. Wow, that's a massive keychain. What are you supposed to do with that? You're supposed to put this on your key? Yeah, no, I'm not doing that, but I'll keep it in the box, because that's cool. Cool to have. I'm going to assume you do something like that, and then... What's this? Oh. So here's this nice braided cable, okay? braided. Oh god, wait, why are there 3 cables? Are you kidding? Oh yeah, there's audio and then USB pass-through. Okay, yeah. I remember. I used to have a BlackWidow without the backlighting a long time ago. Like 3 or 4 years ago. Okay, so... Dang it! Alright, so we are all plugged up, as we would like to say in Wisconsin. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my PC now. And we're going to watch. So, this year I actually plan on, like, upgrading my PC, like, a lot, because you can hear the Intel stock... Oh, woo! You can hear the Intel stock cooler, and it sounds real bad. That's really comfortable, and it'll actually really help, because I get really tired after I type for a long time. My wrists get pain. Windows, Gigabyte, something, please show up. So we're gonna go ahead and launch Razer Synapse. And this just came up, by the way. I had to do no downloading of myself. I just plugged in the keyboard and that just sort of popped up. Do I remember this? So yeah, I'm definitely gonna do a type race with this thing. Get ready to win, okay. Oh my god, I'm already losing. Oh man. Oh no! Woo! Okay, I still won, but that was really bad. My accuracy was bad. That's no good. Wait, does it play it? Yeah. My 86%, 90. It got pretty good for a second there. It peaked, probably. Spoke. Okay, we gotta do another one. This is awful. Okay. Oh, jeez, this is long. Okay. Come on, Jeff. Gonna win, Jeff! Alright. I saw a little rocky point ahead of me, as if made on purpose for a war chorus. By running across some open ground, I was onto it. It was good, if not ample, cover on the top. It was in the middle of the angle made by the line of advance of the men along the ridge, and the line of the Devons main advance, and quite close to the hill, stretching away on our left over a level khaki colored sloping field, if I may so call it, a veldt, were the Devons lying behind ant hills placed as if on purpose to give scant, but welcome shelter to troops advancing under fire. That was real bad. Okay, so my accuracy was much better, but my speed, not that great. You know, frankly, it's going to take a while to get used to. I have to press these keys a lot farther down than the last keyboard I was using for them to, like, actuate, so it's going to take some time. But, okay, Type Master, really. I need to get that Mega Racer status. Alright, well, I'm a Type Master. I'm okay with that. 77 words per minute, 2 races, 224 points. We're looking good. 2%. That is terrible. Why so slow? Installing or downloading? Because there's a big difference. Oof. Alright, well, that was a fun video now, wasn't it? Bye-bye.